Hi, I am Rocky Granstream and this is my presentation. So I have two logos here. The top one is global, the bottom one is just for the USA company. The symbols in the middle I chose, they are circle, which can signify a globe, especially for the global one. That kind of brings it together as a whole. I just chose an IT company as those are fairly popular global companies like Cisco. Robin Landa says a color's meaning is tied to specific experiential contexts, cultures, and countries. Some designers create unique color palettes and understand the potential of color to communicate on a symbolic, brand personality, or visceral level. Although we design for print and screen, a good place to learn about color is with the pigment color wheel. So for these, I based a lot of the things off color. In India, white and red together are sacred. Red and green together are popular for traditional clothing. And the blue represents Krishna or chakra, which is the centerpiece of their flag. And green also means life and happiness, whereas in America, black is sophisticated and high tech. The Made in America red and blue obviously represent the flag. Green represents money. And blue can represent superiority, freshness, calmness, cleanliness, and coolness. Like I said, I picked the colors based on the country's culture with colors. I thought that aiming towards their culture would be the best way to speak to them on this kind of level. I think I thought the importance of putting Made in America was because a lot of people in America right now are trying to use American-built companies built from the ground up here in America that are helping the economy, employing our people, those kind of things. I used the importance of the Indian culture with their colors to trigger them with this icon or logo.